let's see. Well, here's a question that which I stuck in some stupid cases, I would say. So basically, I can do it more. Let's see. So we would like to remove the smallest possible from left. The first smallest, is this true? I don't think so, because if there's a cases that 0 is on the rightmost, and definitely we're going to remove that, right? Um, what about the rightmost smallest? From the rightmost, if we see 0, remove it. And if there's a 1, smallest from right to left, I don't know. Is there any rule? Well, to lazily fix this problem, I can just do it brute forcefully, but I think that there should be some rule. Like let's see. So assuming the number to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and oh yeah, it's smaller than, it's at most 5. That's the guaranteed constraint. That's a really small number then. There's a equal on that, so let's assume it's at most 7-digit long. So for the if there is a 0, so we would like to maximize. So so the possible ones by removing one would be B, C, D, E, F, G, A, C, D, E, F, G, and A, B, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, F, A, B, C, F, G, and A, B, C, D, F, G, and A, B, C, D, E, F. So, so if A is larger than B, then we will always take if B is larger than A, we always take B, C, D, E, F, G. And if C is larger than B, we always take A, C, D, E, F, G, right? So every time we take a digit from the second, we compare this pair, and if B is smaller, if the letter is smaller, we discard the former. If later is not smaller, which means A is larger or equal than B, then we compare B and C. So the candidate would only be these. And then we compare C and B and C. If C is larger, we always take it. So, yep. So that's the algorithm. I should have reasoned that earlier. So, let's see. Index to remove starts from what if we have dot dot dot, and if f g is larger than f, then we take A, B, C, D, do we ever compare G and F? I think we should. So when do we compare G and F? A, B, C, D, F, G. I think we only compared till if F is larger than E, then we take but if all these applies, which means A is smaller than B, A is larger or equal to B, and it's larger than equal to G. For that case, we're going to take A, B, C, D, E, F. So for index, so index to remove starts with 0. If index, so starts with 0, it's actually okay. If var val this and this value equals to n, wait, L string index to remove, and val next value equals to L, it's actually this value, this index, it's actually this index string, this index plus 1, if this value is smaller than next value index to remove equals to string dot length -1 equals to what? This index break. Oh wait. It's not going to compile. Finally, well, before whenever I run into this problem, I always use that smallest method, the naive method. Just get all the possibilities and do it. So we finally reached the last chapter. I think this is some... Nope, actually no. I thought it was some bit operation, but no, it's not. The word is a sequence of consecutive English, so let's use string dot split Kotlin string split. Is there a split by what is it, delimiters? But is there a yeah, there's a split by regular expression. Regular expression. Limit. You can use either pattern or regular expression. Split by what? Noun word. How is a word? Oh, here it is. Lower? Is there lower or upper? Nope. Lower and upper. Here it is. A word character 0 to 9. English letters. So alright, I need to lower, upper. Is there a lower and upper? Oh, here it is. Alpha. How do I get a not? There it is. Not. Is that going to work? I don't quite think so. Yeah, that's a boundary match. I don't know, is this going to work? Never tried this. What does it split into? It's a list of string, so maybe a size. Oh, it's a text.split. Oh, string was expected. How about 0? So, yep, we get the, wait, where does the Reddit go? Okay, yeah. So, val array is actually a list. Var equals to list 0 for string n list if string dot length is larger than answer dot length, ans equals to string, return ans. I think that's it. Yep. Next text, please. Valid time. Oh, okay. Let's do that again. Split with oh wait. A string representing time in HHMM. It is guaranteed that the first two characters as well as the last two characters are digits. So it's only guaranteed that the first two and the last two. So well, there's actually a time parsing in Kotlin, but I don't think we need that at this moment. Well, it guarantees a lot of things. Val list time dot split if list 0 to integer is larger than 24 and if is larger than 60, return. I don't know, is this flawless? Is this flawless? I think so. What? Why? What happened? Oh, to integer. I need some water. That's it. We have finished 2 of these. Sum up numbers. Oh. Again, values equals to input string dot split pattern dot compile numDigit plus var sum equals to 0 for item and values sum equals to sum plus item return sum. Is anyone in the chat? Nope. What's the problem now? Oh, to integer. What? Okay. Wow, this is probably not a good practice. I don't know. I think there might be some better ways to do this. I don't know. Is there any? Well, I'm pretty sure I'm being lazy. This is something that is not possible in some certain language. What does that mean? Oh. Okay. So this is probably the KMP algorithm in 2 dimension. Probably, I don't know. That's a easy way to define it, but a even more easy way to do this is just simply do the put them in the list. So set of list of integer for ion x and matrix dot matrix 0 dot length and for yn matrix dot size. Zero up to until list as list put put is put matrix x matrix x matrix. The first one is the x, right? X and blah blah dot size, so it's actually matrix yx. Matrix yx plus 1. Yep. Y plus 1 and return the size of set. I feel like there is definitely going to be some compilation error here. There is no add in a hash set. Oh, mutable. What? What about as integer list? List, oh, it's not list of integer. List of int. And this is probably int.as list. What? Why? There's a size. Oh. Is int array and this interchangeable? It returns an list. Oh, it's not as list, right? Is Kotlin create array to array, or what is that? Array of, there it is. Array of, and here it's actually a int array. Oh, so it's different. Array of integer is different from integer array. Index out of bound? What? Didn't I? -1? And that's probably the answer. And we're done today, I hope. Let's take a look at if there's anyone in chat. I see one viewer, but I guess there's no people asking any questions. So once I am done with this question, I'm going to go back home. So the output is 8, but it's actually 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is not a set. This is probably not treated as, array of int is probably not comparable, I would say. They are all treated as, they're treated as the same. I need to do the comparable, or I need a collection that is comparable. So array of integer itself is not. How about array of dot slist? And here we have list of int, and I hope that would make things better. Yep, it's passing this time. So a quick lesson learned here would be array is not comparable in Kotlin. I mean the collection. Array, if we have array of and 1, 2, 3, 4 and array of 1, 2, 3, 4, they are not equal. But at least they are equal. So that's probably all for today. See you next time.